I'm Zach Adlington and this is my CS50 final project. My app's called PyJoust and that stands for the Python Job Opportunities User-Friendly Search Tool. This is me and I live in Bristol, the United Kingdom. I had a problem. I want to get a job as a developer, but I didn't know what programming language or framework was most popular in my area, what might have the best chances of landing me a job. So I built an app, a command line scraping tool that took, for any given search term, all of the job listings from a major job listing website, stored them in a SQLite database, and then used geolocation using the Python libraries GeoPy to tag the job listings with where they were. I then created a Flask app to allow the users to play with the data and create some cool visualizations using Plotly. So let's take a look at my app now. So here is PyJoust. I select from the drop-down menu one of the pre-scraped data sets. I'll choose a small one because we've only got a minute left. All these categories are borrowed from the Stack Overflow developer survey, but if the user wanted to, they could put other categories in there too. But we'll leave them as they are. And I'll click Analyze. My next step was to create a progress bar, but I didn't quite get that far. So these are visualizations created in Plotly, calculated in Python, and then rendered in the the JavaScript front end. We've got a bubble map as well. The size of the bubble denotes the salary advertised. And finally, if the user really wants to get down in the weeds, he or she can go in and look at a data table rendered using the excellent JavaScript and jQuery package data tables. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for an excellent course.